hold the camera still. I'm sorry. Hello! We are in Iceland. We had a bumpy ride already, as you could see. But we're searching for a toilet right now. We're still on the way to our hotel. We're almost at our hotel. It's been how long? I don't know. So long. But everywhere where we look, where we drive, it's so beautiful and quiet. So peaceful. We made it to the apartment. The view though. Okay, now we're just gonna chill and sleep probably because it's been a very long day. So I will see you in the morning. Good morning. It's the next day and the sky is blue again. But we're gonna search for some breakfast first and we're gonna do part of a hike as well today. So yeah. We are at Lava Cafe for breakfast. Let's go. Gepakt en gezakt, like they say in Dutch. We arrived at Skogafoss. It's a waterfall. The sun is hella bright, but I'm not complaining. It's pretty nice. But we're gonna look at the waterfall behind me. I don't know if you can see it. And then do a little hike. But it's so beautiful here. Holy crap. dinner with a view. Well, lunch. And that's the view. And another view. We are at the next stop. And we're gonna do a hike. It's a short hike to a glacier. Out and back. The view is already insane, honestly. That's everywhere here. We are gonna test the drone. Let's see if it will be a nice shot. But look at the glacier. Nice. That ice just appeared. We are at the next stop. I can't pronounce it, so this is it. Lots of people, as you can see. Yeah, it's special though. It's crazy that nature can do this. What the fuck? It's cool. It is nice, but not worth my 10 euro parking. There's a lot of people and it's just rock formation. It's cool to see, but there's more beautiful places here, definitely. So yeah, that was that. Now we're going back to Vic and we'll walk a little bit there. And I need a bath and ice. Because my knee hurt a little bit from hiking.
Maybe an ice bath.
Maybe an ice bath. We don't have an Iceland, sadly. I could never. Oh, the cutie. Good morning. Today we have to go to a different hotel. But first we're gonna get some breakfast. A cheese bagel with Gouda and cream cheese, I think. Oops, you can't see, wait. stopped somewhere along the road. It's gorgeous here. Oh my god. The moss, it's pretty cool. We are at the next location. I'll just pop every location on the screen if I have a screenshot of it, but mostly I have one. But yeah, it's gorgeous again, like everything here. Yeah, that view is crazy. There's like a whole lounge underneath this restaurant. It's so cute. Adorable, look. Definitely recommend. At the next viewpoint, I will cut here. It's with ice. We are at a part where we can fly our drone right here, but not at the other side, so perfect. We've arrived at the second hotel of this trip. I just showered, that's why it's a bit foggy, the window. but the view is immaculate. Let me show you. Good morning. We are at Murlezz. If I am butchering it, I'm sorry. But we're gonna do a 8-kilometer hike. So I'm very curious. And that's the car. These are good, and we also have lobster soup, but I'll be eating this hot dog first. Now it's time for the lobster soup. It's nice and warm, especially with this weather. It's been raining, and after that hike I could use some soup, some good soup. Good morning. It's the next day again, and we're going to a waterfall, but like with these rock formations, so it'll be pretty cool, I think. And it's a 7-kilometer hike to go there. Now we are at a parking spot down the road, but the view is amazing, and this is what it is. I can't read it. Halda, natural monument thing. But these mountains there are so pretty. I'll zoom in for you because it's hard to capture on camera, but I'll try and show you. We're into our hike and it's pretty hot, hotter than I expected to be, so t-shirt it is. I don't mind, honestly. But worth the view. I'll show you. It's in sight already. A little bit. We finished the hike in 2 hours and a half, kind of, with some breaks. But it was very beautiful and very diverse nature. Now we're gonna find some lunch. At the hotel, and I'm gonna do a small workout because we have the equipment here. How cool is that? I've ran also on the treadmill for a little bit, and it's time for sauna, and that there, I'll show you. Now it's time for dinner, and tomorrow we have to leave to the next hotel. So this will be the end of part 1 of the Iceland series. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the second part. Bye!